Hello everybody, welcome back to the Eden Audio YouTube channel. Today we're going to be giving you a special little tour of another one of our demonstration rooms that we have here at Eden Audio. The speakers there you can see in front of you to get us started are the brilliant little Krauke Audio BC30 Mark IIs. And to the right of them we have Pylon Audio. These are from the Sapphire range. These are the Sapphire Sats in a black vinyl finish. You can use these as a stereo pair or as a surround pair in a home cinema setup. To the right of them these are acoustic quality from Czechoslovakia. Very nice loudspeakers using top quality parts. There again are the Krauke Audios on the paw stands. We have those available now as a X demo pair for you to come and purchase if you so wish. Great sounding speakers, they are really good. On top of the acoustic quality are the Aurelia mini areas. These are Bluetooth enabled loudspeakers so you can play music from your smartphone. Excellent sounding loudspeakers, typical of Aurelia. And next to them are the absolutely awesome sounding Ophidian audio. These were the original Profits before the Evolution range came along. These are the Profit P2s there, floor standing loudspeakers. Made here in the United Kingdom. Fantastic loud speakers, they really are. You really will enjoy listening to those. Also, while visiting Eden Audio, you can come and bring some of your own music. We've got turntables here for you to come and enjoy along with streaming products that we have. Here again we've got another pair of Pylon Audio loudspeakers on a pair of HiFi Racks limited stands. I really do rate these. They look good, beautifully built, very stylish indeed. These are the Pylon Audios. Excellent value for money. The fit and finish on these, brilliant, really is. Lovely paintwork, great job they do on their loudspeakers. Look really good. Very affordable loudspeakers. Then we've got a turntable from Edwards Audio. I'm sure you've seen this before in a few of our other videos. Cracking way to get into vinyl they are. Really good sound for the money. There we've got a Hannah cartridge on it. To be honest, it's a bit of an overkill for this level of turntable. And here we've got a Musica in 30 stereo amplifier from Japan. And next to that we have a Graham Slee Eragold phono stage. Cracker of a phono stage. That is for a mid-price phono stage. That sounds really good. stage, phono stage from Graham Slee. There we've got the Aune X8 Magic, and you know how much I rate that. For the price, it's an outstanding. And to the side of that, hiding behind it, is the Edwards Audio Apprentice MC phono stage. And there we have the Edwards Audio preamplifier. And next to that is the Edwards Audio ISO 1 mains isolation block for powering the Edwards Audio turntable, so it's not running off the actual mains itself, so it gets a cleaner power supply. Looking at the rear of the Pylon Audio loudspeakers, we notice it's rear ported, so ideally we would want to keep these away from the front wall if we possibly can, so that the bass doesn't become overpowering. I do like to keep my speakers away from the front wall. There behind it we have some acoustic panels from Addictive Sound, again from Poland. These are really good value for money acoustic panels. You know how much stress I place on acoustic treatment in your listening room, how vitally important it is to get the best sound. Really good fit and finish on Pylon Audio loudspeakers. There they are, as I say, on the HiFi Racks limited speaker stands. Moving along, we've got more Pylon Audio loudspeakers which you can come and enjoy. We've got there, they are with Aurelia, the new Aurelia Ambera Isomatrix. We've got a few pair of loudspeakers from Pylon Audio. You can see just how beautiful they look. You've got a choice of outstanding finishes to suit the decor in your home. Look at that, absolutely beautiful loudspeakers. As I say, they are on the large size, so you will need a large room for these to sound at their best. They've got quite a lot of depth to them, so you need to allow for this when you take into consideration and purchasing these loudspeakers, the amount of space they do actually need. They're the Aurelias, a little bit smaller, so placement will be a little bit more easier and simpler for those. Don't forget, we invite you along to Eden Audio to bring along some of your favourite tunes from your own personal music collection, where you can come and audition some of the wonderful products that we have here available at Eden Audio. You'll find it's a little bit different from your usual retail environment, where maybe you feel a little bit of pressure from the salesman, or you feel a little bit rushed in making your purchasing decision. Here at Eden Audio you can relax, take your time and listen for as long as you want to the products that we have available for you. You may have noticed currently at the moment we're still a small new business here in the United Kingdom. Even though we did actually start in the year 2006, we are still a little fledglings here in the UK. So our current line of products is actually quite small at the moment, but hopefully in the future we will be able to give to you more product lines for you to come and audition. But that's things to look forward to in the future, and we need to take things one step at a time. But as I say, please come along and audition some of these great products that we have available for you at Eden Audio.